NFHRCC aro Phom People's Council egi logot milikina ongoing Foothills Road construction under SASCI project Dimapur oporde Kotapati kule meeting rakishe. Itu meeting to hule January 16, 2025 de tinta tribes Ao Senden, Lotha Hoho aro Sumi Hoho representatives Canberra decision bonaikina chakyadu reaffirmed kurishe aro construction opor focus kurishe. Bishi jeri discussion loya bichidi several resolution passed kurishe project oporde. Ekta significant resolution to Foothills Road construction laga naam de individual Glen nohole busti kun ke bhi compensation nadibo koigina reaffirm kurishe. Council bra faisla luishe ki judi kun ba violate kurishe kuledu council aro committee bra kara action lobo kuishe. Meeting day subcontractors aro firms kun kan itu project laga work order baishe under SASCI Daikandu by January 23, 2025 implementation agreement sign kurubole lage kuishe. Jodi contractors bra sign na kurishe kuledu Phom council aro committee miligina concerned departments ke Daikan laga work order cancel kurubole pressure dibo kuishe aro dusra notun anibule order kurubo kuishe. Daikan bra project to take time de khotom hole laga importance oporde emphasize kuishe aro gam tile hoadu contractors kan laga galti ase kuishe.
Nagaland TV, Sop Manulaga Awas. Watch us live on Geo TV and on your television sets as well. For Dimapur viewers, we are on channel number 994 in Global Chapter, and Kohima and Mokokchung viewers, switch to channel number 138 on Hornbill Digital. For all news and updates, follow us on Facebook, Instagram, YouTube and Twitter.